Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the first cleaning video of 2026. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Let's get into the video.
1,000 times you moved away. I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess.
So let me introduce myself to my new friends who are just joining my channel. My name is Shalinda. I am a wife and mother of 4. Hold on, is it 4? Hold on, I have 3 sons, a daughter, and I have a goddaughter. So what is that? 5. I am a mother of 5. I am by birth. I only have my daughter, but my husband has 3 kids, so you know those are my babies as well. And then I have my goddaughter. I am a nurse by profession. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I'm hoping to be more consistent on this channel, guys, in the new year. Let's see how it goes. But welcome.
I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it.
While I'm spraying glass cleaner on my counters, who knows, but I pick up the right thing in just a minute.
Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
No, I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it,
my daughter's domain. I'm just kind of straightening up and helping her out because, baby, she gonna earn her keep. So, yeah. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye, guys.